steam draw the clouds. You laugh at your own story. Oh, where we were by now. Coats piled by the doorway. Your shoes next to mine. Small things on the table, proof we've been building time. We'll go side by side, share the long roads, the quiet nights, every high, every shaking line. You take my hand, I'll take my time. If the map runs out, we'll just walk and figure it out. All I want through changing skies is you and me, side by side. Missed trains, rain.
Now I want to be in the back. Right,
Plans
let's all
fall
go up there.
Roll the boat.
Write little notes on
Please stay
receipts,
seated
folded
with your
hearts
hands inside the car at all times.
We argue about
Notice the smell of native guest C. C.
you reach
This
across
is designed to work with communities
the
around the world,
truest
all
place I
places.
feel. We'll go side by side, share the long roads, the quiet nights, every high, every shaking line. Take my hand, I'll take my time. If the map runs out, we'll just walk and figure it out. All I want through changing skies is you and me, side by side. Years will touch our faces, put silver in our hair. If my step gets slower, promise you'll still be there. We'll trade the heavy suitcase for stories that we've told. Two chairs on the same front porch, watching the evening go. We'll go side by side, share the long roads, the quiet nights, every high, every shaking line. You take my hand, I'll take my time. If the map runs out, we'll just walk and figure it out. All I want through changing skies is you and me, side by side.
Hello. Need to try? There's just no running and no jump.
아빠 동물 없대.
아 이거 잔인한데.
Through the center, go up to that first car right side. 4, sit on the right.
Hey, Al. For yourself, fellow guests, and our annex wildlife on the world. Large meadows, so we can have a larger herd. A big reason you must maintain a larger herd here at the zoo is to help keep the genetics of the species healthy, and so we can offer genetic diversity. Do bring close to us, and if you look towards the right, you will see that baby scratching her butt along the fence. While you may give a house cat a scratching post, we have to give an neck and haul tree trunks. You see a pale gray deer, that's going to be the Bactrian deer, and the orange honey-colored deer is the Barassinga. Now I do have to slow down as there is a peacock directly in front of me. Sometimes they like to play chicken with the trains. WCS was able to confirm that Bactrian deer still exists in Afghanistan. At the end of May, our Asian elephant Happy did pass away at the age of 55. A fun fact about elephants, you can tell the difference between an Asian elephant apart from an African elephant by their ears. We're still going to get a really good look at her. Ball for routine shots or any treatments they may need. Our deer is the largest deer in southern Asia. Males stand up to 5 feet tall at the shoulder and can weigh as much as 650 pounds. A fish. One of the most majestic animals on our ride, and the way the males show their interest in the females. Just like how we look into the eyes of our partners, the female core will look at the male's tongues.